2,000 litre day tank. Doesn't really last a day, it probably lasts about 4 hours at full load. And you can see the various connections to it. We've got incoming fuel with a Kingsway valve or drop weight valve, that's for fire safety. And you can see the bowed-in cable there, which runs up to a fusible link above the 4 turbos shown in the previous video. Valve, which lets fuel in. OLE tank controller, which brings on the pumps downstairs and shows you the contents. Overflow and dump lines and return. We've got the 2 flow and return fuel lines that run up to the engine itself. Bank of 3 fuel filters, and don't be confused by these are also fuel filters. You might be wondering where the oil filters are on this engine, and if you're not familiar with the C175, they're actually behind this cover plate here, which you might find a little bit confusing if you've not worked on these before.